Good girl. It's all right, it's all right. Each one of these pants is caused by another bang, and it's a tiny, tiny bang. There you go, nothing. It's all right, sir. It's all right. See her shaking? Oh, Lola. The whole body is absolutely shaking. And you can hear any bangs. It's not even 2 doors down, 3 doors down. It's a quarter of a mile away. Yes. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. All right. All right. It's all right. Nice and safe. Nice and safe. It's all right. So many poor dogs have this. Every firework display night. Sure. It's all right. There's nothing there. Nobody there. It's all right. It's all right. Stop shaking. All right. Good girl. It's all right. Daisy, nothing there. Shh. Should we put some music on? See if we can hide it. Hey, it's all right. It's all right. Oh, it's all right. Come on, baby. Lola, what's this? Oh, better. Naughty, is it? What's this? This is so nice. No, she still won't stop shaking. Right, I'm going to stop recording so I can put some loud music on and hide the bangs. But she still seems to feel the vibration, even if. And I try and massage her in a circular motion. That calms her down a little bit, but here's the kitten. The kitten isn't bothered. How are you? Hey, baby. Where's the kitten? I think I can see you on there. That's it. It's all right. What about the little kitten? The kitten doesn't mind. There, you see, there's nothing, There's nothing going to come and get you. Don't worry. It's all right. Don't want to overdo the fuss. This is a distressed dog. It's all right. All right. You good girl. Calm down. Want some food? Do you want some food? Little eyes. Yeah. You can see the white of her eye. Oh, baby. That's it. It's all right. Stop now. Stop. There we go. Right. Let's put some loud music on and see if that helps. Good girl. No, it's not bangies. Let's see if we can. There we go. What's this? Music.
There's the car. I'll live in
I've already had the music on and the TV on. It will come back in a minute. It's alright. Watch the TV. Right, hopefully. Come on, TV. It's alright. Right, let's find some music. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's some light. Baby. Oh, I know. Don't no licky faces. How's this? This is nice and calm. There we go. We put the music on really loud. There isn't anything. It's alright. Good girl. There's nothing there. Nothing there. Look. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Good girl. Oh, you can't even hear anything now, can you? See the kitten? Where's the kitten? Lola? Where's the kitten? She's behind you. Look, she's here. There's a good girl. You don't want to be looking scared for her, do you? Come on. Look, she's not bothered at all. Stop it. Good girl. There we go. Oh, Lord. There's nothing, no bangies. Look, no bangs. There you see. No bangs. Oh, except for the cat.
Marianne Lap Me Up Liquid Lip Paint sponsors All Music Sundays.
It's alright, stop. Whoa, what's this? Give me a hand. Oh, good girl. Even this loud music and TV doesn't seem to help, does it? Can I turn it down a little bit? See, there's nothing. I can't hear anything, baby. Look at your poor little shaking. Look at the body language here. She's got her head out. She's overheating because of stress. I've given her a drink. The kitten's fallen behind a cupboard. There we go, look at you.
£19, including lenses. You should go direct to glassesdirect.co.uk.
Why do you keep this over? Oh, I can hear them too. I can, but we can't hear them too much. Da 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 da. You good girl. Look at the window. We can't see any flashes, can we? There's no flashes.
And expect nothing back. If you can step up and get it done when others can't.
Look at there.
If you can graft and not let
Poor
the
thing,
graft
look
get
at
you
her.
down.
The shade.
Other folk
Come on.
first without a fail.
Is that better?
All that, my son.
Is that better? Is that better? Why is the cat playing the guitar, eh? Why is that cat playing that guitar? Please stop shaking, baby. It's all right. If you know any dog owners and think they're being really silly having to sit in with their dog every night this week, this is the reason. She's actually shaking me. Lola, baby.
Enjoy up to £3,000
Lola.
off a new Smart when you trade in selected diesel cars. Smart. And more. We believe that if you cook with a great stock,
No, there's nothing there.
with a rich flavour,
Nothing there. It is currently
and maybe a bigger table, more stock lots.
can't see the time. It is currently 6:22. This is going to go on till after 9 when the children